What is the world you are expecting? It's a smile that ignites the excitements of every day. It's a tree that turns into diverse forms. It's the metal that constructs the modern society. It's the stone that supports the architectures. It's the world where there are infinite possibilities. In KYToolead, we understand exactly every thought you have, from the sky and earth to the whole universe, from ironworks to logistics, from skyscrapers to a single house. At KYToolead, we design our products for you and help you work it out. Why KYToolead? We are opening the gate to the new world for another revolution. We are expanding the border of technologies by our innovations, focusing on the upgrade of quality with our 64 patents and authentications, making our products more intelligent, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly with our consistent research and development. Releasing the power of technology with our specialty, we are exploring the infinite possibility within 32 precision processes that takes 1,600 hours of original craftsmanship. Link all the happiness with trust. We are defining the standards of leading power tools together with 20 million customers worldwide. Why KYToolead? Faster and better deliveries are not our destination. We are continuing the optimization of quality using the green technology to benefit the earth. Within the win-win ecosystem, we are heading towards our duties with consistent value creation, offering the world new solutions with our leading products. Why KYToolead? Mechanization used to be a historical answer, but the digitized production is the upcoming trend of the industrial age. Our self-evolution empowers your happiness, and our fiery passion never stops. KYToolead, for the workers of the world.